Hi everyone, I am creating a new playlist that covers Azure real-time scenarios. It will be helpful for data engineers and anyone learning Azure. Let's start with the series with scenario 1. In this scenario, we'll see like how to convert pixel length text file to CSV using Azure Data Factory data flow. To understand this requirement, we'll go through the how the pixel length text file looks, okay, and what is the expected result set. This is a sample text file without any comma or pipe delimiter separated. The first two characters are record ID, and the next four characters are provider ID, and the next 21 characters are provider name, and then next 19 characters are provider type, and Medicare number, Medicare name, phone number, city, state, and zip code. And my requirement is to convert this pixel length text file to a CSV format with a comma separated. So the final output should look like this. This is what my expected output. Okay, let's see like how can we like achieve this. Okay, open the Azure portal. I'm opening the storage account. Container, source, provider info. This is my input. Okay, this is a flat file. Okay, this is my input, and open the Azure ADF, launch the studio. Let's create a data flow. Right click, new data flow, name it as a fixed length to CSV. Click on add a source, create a new data set. My source is Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Click on this, select this, click text file, continue, ts underscore source. I will be using the existing linked service. Okay, browse source provider info.txt. Okay, click OK. Okay, test the connection. Okay, to preview the data, we need to enable the data flow debug mode. So if it is disabled, enable it. It will take minutes to enable this. Click on data preview, refresh. Okay, this is my source data. Okay, next we have to create a calculated columns to extract the data. Click on plus, add derived columns. Okay, my first column will be a record ID. Okay, we'll add all these calculations. Okay, record ID. Click on open expression builder. Okay, and in the functions search for substring. Select the substring. So we need the starting position and the number of characters. If you see that the record ID started at position 1 and it needs 2 characters. It will be 1 comma 2. Okay, and add another one, new column, and next it will be provider ID. I have provider ID. The starting position is 3 and the number of characters 4. Add another column. This is provider name. Seven comma 21. Add another column. Provider type. Another column. Medical number. Add another column. Medical name. Next phone number. Next city. State. The last one is zip code. Zip code. And then click save and finish. Okay. Next, data preview. Refresh. Okay. We got all the required columns along with the source column. So we no need of this provider info Georgia. This is a source column and it has all the data in a row. So we need to exclude this. So for that, click on plus and select and remove the delete the first column. Okay. Data preview. Okay, we have all the columns. Okay. Next, add sync. Okay, so select the data set. I will be creating the new. My target is also Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Select this text file. Select dataset underscore get. And I will be using the existing linked service. Okay, browse, select output, click OK. So basically there is a no file. So we need to select none because there is a no schema. Select the none, click OK. Okay, then next go to settings, name the file options. So choose output to single file and output to single file. Provide the file name. Provider info converted dot CSV. Okay, and yeah, there is a warning message. Output to single file requires single partition. Click on set single partition. Okay, go to data preview. Click on refresh. Okay, publish all the changes. Click on publish all. Publish. Okay, to execute this data flow, we need to create a one pipeline. Go to pipelines, create a new pipeline, and from the data flows, drag and drop this data flow into pipelines. Okay, and run this pipeline in debug mode. Yeah, our pipeline got succeeded. Let's verify the output. Go to the storage count, container, and output folder. So here is our output, provider info converter.csv. Let's click on this, edit, see. The fixed length flat file got converted into comma separated file, CSV. Okay. Not only to the CSV, we can also place these results into a table. Okay.
I hope this video will be useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you have any questions, post your questions in the comments.